Greetings one and all, welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making a nice biscuit called Karachi biscuits, or Karachi fruit biscuits. And despite the name Karachi, these are actually born and bred in India, and specifically in the city of Hyderabad. Great city, by the way. I highly recommend visiting there. Alright, now there is another name for these in India as well. They're also called Tutti Frutti biscuits, which is it's a good name. Anyway, I'm going to stick with calling them Karachi biscuits. Karachi was actually a bakery in Hyderabad that first made these back in the early 1950s. So yeah, long history of this dish. Let's get on with it. I've got a cup and a half of flour, which I'm just going to sift into my bowl here. And I've got half a cup here of custard powder. Same thing, we're just going to sift that in. And a teaspoon baking powder, straight in with that too. So that's all our dry ingredients. Let's get that little mix up. Now in another bowl here, I've got 250 grams of butter that's starting to soften. It'd be nice if it was a little bit softer. I've got here a cup of powdered sugar, or aka icing sugar. So that's going to go in there. And like I say, it's going to take a little while to do this because my butter's not quite soft yet, but obviously we're just going to cream that sugar into that butter. And I'm going to sit down and watch a bit of telly and do this because it's going to take a while for this butter to soften up a bit more, and I'll get back to you when I'm done. Alrighty, so I've got that butter all nicely creamed, that sugar creamed into the butter I should say. So what else are we going to add to that? I've got here half a cup of dried candied papaya, and that's also called what they call in India Tutti Frutti. So that can go in, and I've just cubed it up into nice little sort of roughly chopped chunks. I've got a quarter cup, again just sort of roughly chopped, of cashew nuts. And I've got a teaspoon in here, you probably can't see it, of rose water. In that goes. Now, I've got that flour and custard powder and baking powder. And that's going to go into our bowl. And we'll just give that a mix up. And at this stage, with thoroughly clean hands, I'm going to actually use my hands. Alrighty guys, so I've got my dough here together. I did actually have to add a little bit more flour, probably about a quarter of a cup more, because it was a bit wet. Now it can go either way, each batch is different. If it's a little bit dry, you can certainly add like a little bit of milk at a time, like a tablespoon at a time, something like that. So I'm going to break this into 2 halves, like so. Just get it on my board here. I'm just going to roll that out with my hands into a bit of a cylinder shape. Trying to get it fairly even. Like so. I mean, it's close enough for me. I'm just going to get some cling film. We'll wrap that up. Give it another little roll. So I'll try and get it all squared up. And we'll cinch off the ends. Alrighty guys, I've got these both done now. I'm going to get them in the fridge for a couple of hours. Alrighty guys, so I've just pulled my dough, cookie dough, biscuit dough, as we say in Australia. So yeah, I'm just going to unwrap it. Looking good. Now here I've just got a baking tray lined with some baking paper, like a biscuit tray thing. I've got my sharp knife, and I'm just going to cut these into about, probably about maybe about an inch thick, like so. That's how they sort of look. Make sure your knife's pretty sharp and you give it a bit of a saw. It's a little bit crumbly, but that's sort of normal. I'll set them up on my tray over here. Now while I'm doing this, I've also got the oven preheating to 180 degrees Celsius. So I'm just going to put those in the oven now. Like I said, it's preheated to 180, and I'm going to give them at least 20-25 minutes, maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less. I'll just keep checking them. I like a fairly hard biscuit, so the longer you leave it, sort of a bit harder the biscuit will get. So yeah, I'll let you know precisely when we're finished. Alrighty guys, so I've got some of my Karachi biscuits here, aka Tutti Frutti biscuits. Just to let you know, I ended up leaving them in the oven for about half an hour, but in that half an hour I did actually rotate them around. So because I had 2 trays, I moved one tray below the other tray and also rotated both trays, if that makes sense, if you get what I mean. Anyway, so yeah, half an hour all up, but probably in the process of doing that rotation, the oven did cool a little bit for a little bit. Anyway, they've turned out really, really good. I'm really, really happy with them. So after I pull them out of the oven, I've just had them sitting there till they've cooled down, and yeah, that's how they turned out. So let's try one. Yum, huh? Really, really yummy. If I do say so myself, that's just a yummy, nice biscuit. Man, that tastes good. Alrighty, not much more I can say about that. They taste awesome. Thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask that you hit that subscription button? And if you do that, also that little notification icon, bell, and that'll let you know when I upload videos. I don't have a fixed schedule. I do shift work, so yeah, if you hit that little bell, you'll know when I upload videos. I try to do 1 or 2 a week, mostly 2 a week. Yeah. Alrighty, I will see you all next time.